Good morning.
Good morning.
It's August 26, 2025. Kakagising lang ni Daddy. Kasi kanina, ginising ako ni Mommy. And Mommy, so disturbed me. Oh, look. What's that? We are pregnant again. We're expecting another
What's
baby.
this?
Pregnancy
Daddy?
test.
For baby?
Yes. You'll be ate soon. Are you excited?
I ate it.
Thank you, Lord.
I did what?
That's your baby. So later we will check for the blood if it is confirmed that mommy is pregnant. Yung mga gamot niya, ready na. Blood thinner, pampakapit, aspirin, multivitamins. Hi guys!
Hey guys!
It's August 27. Right after malaman namin pregnancy mommy yesterday, nagpa-check up na kagad siya kanina sa OB-GYN. Start na kagad kami ng injection ng enoxaparin para mabuo si Ading. Okay. Tama. Wow! Ito sa mo. Isang nito lang na. Oh, shaker. Yes! Day 1! Daddy, nagkabatan. We're having ultrasound of Ading here in the Philippines.
See! It's the TV!
Sure, mami ako. You hear that? Ading's heartbeat?
Yes. What's that?
Baby adding heartbeat.
Oh, baby Ading pictures.
Oh, baby adding heartbeat.
Baby Ading's heartbeat. Ang galing naman talaga, oh.
It's inside mommy tummy.
It's inside mommy's tummy. Oh.
We're going to the doctor.
Ah, galing ka kay doctor. Very good. What do you want? Baby brother, baby sister?
Baby sister.
Why you don't like baby brother?
Yeah.
Why?
What's her bad?
Bad?
A
Who's
bad
bad?
guy. A bad guy.
Bad guy? Why? If baby sister, you're the only one wants baby sister.
Me? I have baby sister?
Baby brother.
No, not a baby brother. Good not a baby brother. Mommy's a baby sister.
Oh, we'll check. What happened to the checkup of mommy?
Wow.
And then, you hear baby Ading's heartbeat. What's the sound?
You heard that sound?
Ito pa yung upuan nila. Ah! Kamukha ni Sophie! Ano mo siya magbigyan ng milk? Paano pag hungry si baby?
Like this.
Oh. Wow! Paano mo siya ipi-play?
Like this. Like this.
Paano mo siya mag-sleep again? Paano? Paano mag-sleep? Nahilo na siya. Nagpupo ang abing.
Gian Mateo, welcome anak. Nasa Pepe lang si Mami. Big boy naman yan. The reunion. Galing kasi si Mami sa operating theater. Ngayon lang sila nakita.